Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making homemade cinnamon buns. I'll be showing you the ingredients in 4 parts. The first part is the dough. We're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 packet of instant yeast. To a pot, I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of water, and you just want it to get warm, not boiling. After your water is warm, you want to add it to a bowl. Now we're going to add our packet of yeast to it. You just want to whisk it together until it's well combined. Then you want to let it sit for 10 minutes. Guys, we're also going to need 1 egg at room temperature. Guys, now to a bowl, we're going to add in our milk. You're going to add in your salt. Our sugar. Just want to mix it together. Make sure it's well combined. Then you want to add in your 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to put it into our microwave for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and just whisk it together until all the butter melts. After it has melted, you just want to set it to the side until it is lukewarm. Okay guys, I have my stand mixer. So to the bowl, I'm going to add in my milk mixture. Also my yeast mixture. And my 1 egg. And I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined. Guys, we're going to be using our dough hook. Okay guys, you want to have your stand mixer on low speed. And we're going to begin to add our flour in a little at a time. You want it to form a soft, doughy ball. While your flour in, you can raise the speed up to 3. Okay guys, your dough ball should be slightly tacky, not sticky. Okay guys, now you want to lightly grease a bowl and you want to put your dough ball inside. Next, take a piece of saran wrap and wrap it nice and tight, and you're going to set it in a nice warm spot for 1.5 hours. Okay guys, to make our syrup, we're going to need 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of corn syrup. And you also want to have a baking dish. Now to a pot, we're going to add in our heavy cream, our corn syrup, our brown sugar, and also our cinnamon. We're just going to whisk it together until everything is nicely combined and heat it all the way through. Let this simmer on low for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, now you can add in 2 tablespoons of your unsalted butter and just mix that in until it melts. Then you could turn off the heat. I'm going to get a 9x12 baking dish. You want to pour your sauce in. And we're going to set that to the side. Now for our filling, we need 4 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. If you want to get a small bowl, we're going to add in our brown sugar and also our cinnamon. Just want to break that down and mix it until it's well combined. Set it to the side. Okay guys, now all you want to do is go ahead and put your fist down in it to release some of the gases. If you want to flour your surface, I'm going to put a little bit of flour down. Spread it out. Now you want to get a rolling pin and put some flour on it. Now we're going to take our dough and we're going to roll it out into a large rectangle. Okay guys, I know I said to spread it out to a rectangle, but do the best that you can and spread it out as far as you can. Now we're going to take our butter and we're just going to begin to spread it out over top of our dough. Okay guys, once you have your butter spread out over top of your dough, we're going to go ahead and take our cinnamon sugar mixture. We just want to spread it all out over top of our butter. I'm going to make sure it's evenly spread out. Now we're going to start from the bottom. You just want to begin to roll it nice and tight. Okay guys, once it's rolled, you want to just go ahead and pinch it together to seal it. Sealed, we're going to just cut off the ends. And slice it down the middle. And then you can begin to cut out the size that you want of your cinnamon rolls. Okay guys, look how beautiful they came out. Okay guys, now you want to get your baking dish with your sauce in it. And we're just going to begin to place our cinnamon rolls on top. Now you want to wrap them in a piece of saran wrap. We're going to place them in a nice warm area so they can rise. And you want to leave them sit for 1 hour. Okay guys, now you want to place your cinnamon buns into your oven at 350 degrees for 23 to 27 minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. You're going to need 2 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and also you're going to need your hand mixer. Okay guys, so in my bowl I have the 2 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add in my butter. Next we're going to blend that until it's nice and smooth. I'm going to add in our vanilla extract and also our powdered sugar. You want to blend that together until nice and smooth. Okay guys, once your icing is nice and smooth, set it to the side. Okay guys, our cinnamon buns are now done. Look how nice they came out. So I'm going to let them cool just for a little bit. Okay guys, while they're still warm, I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and brush on our icing. They smell amazing. Hey guys, look how beautiful they are. Okay guys, I wanted to show you. You can see the sauce on the bottom. Look how perfect they are. Nice and soft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?